This thing on? Supposedly? Let's check it out. How you work this thing? What is that? My face really awkwardly close to everybody? Okay, cool. Well, anyways, so here's my first attempt at a 3D camera lesson. Well, hopefully you're awkwardly close to me, but also hopefully you can see what I got here, which is a bucket of ice water. I've been pretty unsuccessful today, so I'm hoping that by doing this, I can help those who maybe haven't had a chance to see this experiment work. We'll get a chance to see it in action. So here's what I'm going to do. I'm going to put it right here so maybe you can look down and see it. But anyways, over here I've got 6 cans. 5 of them have just a thin little itty-bitty layer of water to it. One of them's got Coke that I didn't finish, so I'm going to see how that works. I usually wash them out, but we'll see if it matters. But anyways, here's what I'm going to do. I'm going to take these 5 cans, I'm going to heat them up. So basically I'm going to start the water cycle, how we've been talking about, right? So I'm going to add a heat source, convert that water into steam. Now, what's going to happen is the steam being hot is going to be less dense, so it's going to rise. As it rises from the bottom of the can, it's going to push all the actual air out. So what you end up happening is this entire can, you can actually see a little bit of that the water forming on top of that. But anyways, what ends up happening is this can is filled with steam. When I take this can of steam and I place it and submerge it into this ice water, that steam is going to instantly condense. And as you know from class, we have gases, right? Particles going everywhere. And as soon as I cool it down, I add that source of cold, then what's going to happen is it's going to all of a sudden condense and become really small and turn back into a liquid. So when it does, all the gas right now that's currently pushing on the outside of this can is going to condense. So nothing's going to be pushing inside out on the can. And instead, you're going to have the atmosphere pushing outside in. And if you have no balancing force, no gas, no steam pushing on the can from the inside, then the air is literally just going to crush the can. So let's see if we can make this work. I'll hold it right here so you can see. And you can do this at home on your stove. Preferably use tongs. This will be hot. I'm going to use this glove, which isn't really working too well for me, but we'll see if we can get it to work. So here we go. Let's try number 1. 3, 2, 1. And crushed. Very good. See, I was using too little water last time. All right, put this down. Let's try it. 1 for 1. Here we go. Can we get? Wait, is this steaming? Can you see steam? No, you can't. Of course you can't. You can't see a gas. Are you crazy? But you can see it as it condenses when it hits the colder air above. But anyways, here we go. Trying a 1, a 2, a 3. There it goes. Crush. Nice and easy. Put that thing in the water, nice and deep, and it will crush instantly. Gosh, Mr. Ellis, you should be smarter than this. Here we go. Let's try the one with Coke in it. 3, 2, 1. There it goes. It's crushed again. Oh my goodness, I'm getting so good at this. I better not use all my cans, but I'm going to anyways. Yay, here we go on a 1. Is this even steaming? Here we go. I'm going to do this upside down. 1, 2, 3. That's sort of crushed. I wasn't doing very good, but that's okay. It's still working. As you'll notice, I'm not even attempting here to crush this with my hand. I'm just placing it in the water. And a 1, a 2, a 3. Ooh, man, that one crushed fast. You get in there nice and fast. It cools down really fast. And the atmosphere crushes it. This isn't even working anymore. It still crushes. Oh my goodness. I'm crushing this lab. Anyways, so here's the idea. When you have steam filled inside this can, just steam, it's going to condense when placed in cold water. In fact, it's cold right now to the touch, even though it was just super hot. And so when it condenses, it no longer takes up all that space. And so what happens is the atmosphere above us is literally being pulled down by gravity. And it's crushing on us at all sides, but you don't feel it because you're used to it. All right, you notice a change when you go up in an airplane. All of a sudden, there's less atmosphere above you, so you feel less pressure on your head. Your ears start to pop. When you go down beneath the water, that's when you notice there's a lot of water being pulled down on your head by gravity, so you feel more pressure. That hurts. So basically, we take away the pressure on the inside, and the pressure on the outside crushes the can without me even having to touch it. Pretty cool. Hope you enjoyed the lesson, and hope this works. Mr. Ellis' first 3D lab. And yeah, that's it. Music by, who's this? What we got on here? By Beyonce, Lemonade, hold up. Anyways, Mr. Ellis out. Something cool. What's that? Is that cool? Mr. Ellis out. Or something. I don't know. We'll work on it.